Woohoo! Wow. I'm coming to my last week here in Bali, and today is the last day I actually have my moped rented. So I'm gonna go on a little adventure into the mountains and try and find some really cool waterfalls. This landscape is absolutely beautiful, and there's no way I'm gonna miss out on that on my last few days. So let's go find some awesome landscapes and waterfalls. So I keep seeing these Balinese kites, and I don't really know what they're all about. I think I'm gonna put the drone up right now, get a close-up look. Way sketchier than I thought it was going to be. You just can't see the lines when you're up there. The last thing I want to do is take out someone's perfectly handmade kite, which might have religious meaning, I don't know, with my drone. Not a cool idea. Anyway, they look cool from here. Oh, you just want to stop at every corner. This place is beautiful. Look at this place. Hello. Thank you. I think this is a good spot to put the drone up. So after many pit stops, finally here, and I can hear it. Oh, lovely. See all the trash there. Definitely took a little bit longer to get here, but that's because I kept stopping along the way. It's so inspiring just seeing all these different cultures and how they live their lives. I could just take hours just driving around. Anyway, I can hear the waterfall. I just passed some other tourists, and it seems like it's not very big, but I wonder if they went to the wrong one. Check out these leaves. They look prehistoric. There's oranges and reds. So here's the waterfall. Let's check it out. Oh. All right. Oh, yeah, it looks cool. I'm impressed. I found a spot that isn't an Instagram hotspot that is actually pretty beautiful. I think those other tourists must have gone to a different spot, because this is not a little waterfall and it's not brown. Let's go check out the next spot. Kind of sucks though, anytime you go to any of these kind of tourist spots or places to view anything, there's always a bunch of trash, either in the grass or whatever. I mean, that's a bin, but I mean, no one clearly takes that out and hikes it up the mountain. Right, maybe I put the Avada up to see just where we are. fish or chicken? Oh, tofu. Okay. Okay, I know this is risky because I'm still dealing with the Bali belly, but this market looks way too tempting. They have some pork and rice, and it looks like it's pretty well cooked, so I'm gonna go check it out. Wow, she's cooking fish. Hello, looks good. Hello, can I get one of the pork? Yes, please, yeah. Little bit. It's okay if I sit here? Ah, very good. Ready, let's go. Oh man, this is good. So I got some goodies from the market here. Let's try them out. Apparently this one's a sweet one. Pretty good. They're fried in some sort of a batter, and yeah, some sort of a fruit. I like it. Sounds amazing. Wow. What is that then?
Like,
Ooh. It's quite strong. What is it? Alright, I'll try it a little bit. Okay if I film it? That's okay if I film?
yeah.
Okay, so I just met these guys here. They offered me some, what is it called again?
Oh, yeah. How long to Bali?
Alcohol or no?
No, yeah.
It tastes different.
You like it?
So. I prefer beer.
Yeah.
Nice, so you guys are getting drunk.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for sharing that. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Thanks, guys. Take care.